Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend Portfolio Spreadsheet. In today's video, we're going to review our deposits, our purchases, and our dividends received through the month of January. The current value of the account is $8,000. We've hit another milestone, and also the current amount of potential yearly dividend income is $516, which equals about $43 a month. As far as our deposits go, we were not able to deposit any money in the month of December. In the month of December, we purchased 10 shares of Oxford Lane at $8.04 a share. We were able to add 1 share of Verizon for $51.85. We also added 5 shares of Energy Transfer. We added 1 share of Sunoco for $37.71. We also added 2 shares of Realty Income Corp. And we were able to add 3 shares since our last video of QYLD with our dividend income. It's pretty crazy to think that our dividend income allowed us to buy $66 worth of an ETF. Ooh. And for the month of December, I cannot report what we made. Knew I should. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm not going to be able to report exactly what I made because I already reset the spreadsheet for the beginning of the year. But so far, this is pretty impressive that we're halfway through the year. We've already made $23 worth of dividend income, which means we can actually already buy 1 share of QYLD. But real quick, I just want to point out here if you want to do a year-over-year comparison from one year to the next, basically we started investing the end of 2019. And if you look here, during the year of 2020, we only made $3.05 from Unilever. And then in 2021, we were able to make $10.71. I believe we added 3 shares in between that time, so that's part of the difference. And if you look here, basically having Oxford Lane, we went from $32 to $45. Verizon, we went from $4 to $24. ExxonMobil, we went from $26, basically $27 to $41. So all of these have gone up significantly from one year to the next, which is pretty impressive. And then if we go back to the other screen, so basically last year the total amount that we made was $352 worth of dividends. So that's basically $352 we didn't have to go to work for and trade our time for money. As compared to 2020, we only made $169. So basically we basically more than doubled our dividend income, right? Almost doubled. The thing I find the most amazing is the fact that our money, which usually will be sitting in the bank making no money, or you give it away in return for stuff that usually ends up in the garbage, was able to make enough money to buy all of these stocks and ETFs, which is also making us money. So we were able to buy 34 different shares of the ETF or stock that is also going to continue to make us money. So the compound effect is starting to ramp up here. So this has become my favorite chart to look at when I'm reviewing my dividend portfolios. This is the year-over-year comparison of the monthly dividend income that we have received within the Webull account. I have one of these in each one of the different spreadsheets I have for each one of the accounts I've had. But this is my favorite thing. The red line here is 2020. So in January 2020, we made a whopping $1.49. In January of 2021, we made $21.42. And then so far this year, it is currently the 15th of January, we've made $23.44 still. And most of our stocks that pay this month have not paid us yet. So it's neat to see the year-over-year comparison for each month. And my favorite thing is it's higher. It's been higher every single month. There has not been one month in this account where we have made less money from year over year. And it's a significant amount, but it goes to show if you put your money in there, your money is very capable of making money for you. Remember, this is Sunday Funday, where we review our Webull Dividend portfolio, our M1 Finance Roth IRA, our Fidelity Health Savings Account, and our M1 Growth Portfolio. Altogether, the account balance has gotten all the way up to $44,766, and it's has the potential to generate $1,900 worth of dividend income, which basically results, if you divide it down, it's basically $5.27 a day. So basically every day I make $5.27. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out the other videos on the screen or over in the sidebar if you want to see more investing videos. Also, don't forget, if you want to receive some extra money from M1 Finance and start investing yourself, there's a link down in the description below. Thanks for watching.